I just want a little more space, a little bit more like property, kind of a little bit, just a little bit more land. Not even a ton, but just a little bit more.
Would you have a farm?
I wouldn't mind maybe getting a couple animals or something. Like I know my mom would like to have some animals, so maybe I could keep some if she wanted to come out and see them sometimes.
That's cool.
I mean, it would be nice to have a couple horses and a dog.
A couple editors out there.
Yeah, a couple editors in the barn.
Roosters, donkeys. Some guys cutting clips in the back.
Just feeding them hay.
Feeding them prime energy.
With the animals, dude. Dude, what did I just see?